So if you would like to see how I can create this simple look of this, you can tune in some of my live tutorial that we did. It's to do a lot of different colors. Let me see this one right there. There's nothing wrong. You can do however you want. I just want to do some cute simple ones for everyone. This is something that if you don't have the chanful for yet, you add more you can. Should we put anything else? Should we put some butterflies on the side? Maybe half. This one is stunning. This one has a lot of daisy, which is we have the nails, so we have the nails on the daisy and stuff. There's so many to choose from, and they're so cute. The color's so vibrant. I know, so I'm like, okay, I have everything in line up that I want to show, and then now all of a sudden I have so many. Oh, here is a daisy, just in case. This is some of daisy, like yeah, full sheet of the daisies as well. Oh, let me see. She's really cute from this collection 19. I don't know. I kept one her here, but I changed my mind. Probably not, because she's gonna cover the shiny sky that I have. Be honest. Sometimes it lasts more. I have to learn it. So I'm gonna using condensed glue gels and no white top coat to cap these cute stickers so they will never peel off on the sides. Also, it cap all my foil and all my glitter. Hold on, this will come off right there. Piece of paper. Just gently, because I just don't want to pull them off. Great. And then no white top coat on the top. And then you're gonna put the top coat on. Floating on the top of the unclear condensed glue gels. And now if you want to add some crystal, you can. I'm gonna add some crystal, maybe just the opal yesterday we did. Or even AB, if you want some AB. Because it had the AB on it instead of others. Maybe ABs looks good. Okay, I will give everyone a break from opal. Just for today. Just kidding. We'll be back on Monday with opal. No, I love the opal yesterday we create. It's so different and so stunning. Sorry about that. So we are going to add some more if you want to. Be honest, you don't have to if you don't like necessarily don't want it. I think it looks really cute. All right. Wow, it's really flashy Louis, I guess. Oh, I don't know. That's really nice. Okay, here for 60 seconds, and this one I don't have to worry, just keep it, the hands flat. Don't move that, please, because if he changing a look, we're gonna kill him. Just kidding. Hey, Von Cat. Hey, Livas. Thanks so much for tuning in, love. Thank you so much, everyone. So we'll figure it out like on Saturday, okay? Want to tune in earlier? I promise I'm not gonna let you watch the beautiful opal yesterday. It was really stunning though. So we did 2 nails today. And what other stickers would you like to see? Because we're dedicating, like, you know, don't ever underestimate the super cute sticker, because you know why? Because it's out of when you get back, and now you're gonna start getting really slammed with the clients with all different like spring and summer designs, and to sitting there is doing your beautiful is drawing your butterflies, like tiny little super detailed butterflies. It would take a little bit longer. Like if I'm doing a gel painting, like a whole roses and stuff like that, the clients one is take a little bit quite a while, and then that's why each nail is going to be $30. But what if you can do is more clients and in the simple quick and beautiful designs and make them really satisfied without breaking their bank, and then it doesn't take you like whole half of the day or sitting and painting it. This is a solution, right? Because you know, if the clients like we have the clients said, no, don't worry, Nancy, I will willing to pay $30 per nail. We do have that, and then when we consult with the clients, but then they can only doing it like 1 or 2 times our special time. But something is really fun like this, they can do all the time, every single appointment they can come in and then get it done. So just like, you know, something additionals for the service for the salon, and don't want to I'm telling you, we don't want to miss this all the opportunity, because when clients come, do you have some cute sticker like this? Do you have some image? Like, oh, you don't have it, so you will lose probably 10, 15. Like this nails at our salons will be like at least $15, because we do encapsulating, marbling, and then we have flaky foil, and we have encapsulating glitter, and then encapsulating all of your cute stickers on it. So I would not like underestimate it. Is any of really cute arts funds accessory like this is really make a clients happy, and then it's also added on a lot on your extra on the service. For it's just like think about if you make like for instance additionals of $10 each clients. If you have 10 clients a day, you would make extra of the income $100 per day. I think it's per day, and it doesn't take you so much time. Why? Because you're a master of it, not because you are just like not doing anything, just because you will get practice, and then you master of it, you get it down. So you deserve to get that. And then it's like between, like if you do 10 clients, I'm not saying like all 10 sets, like even you're doing, it's like if you're doing is 5 clients, like a master set of nails for instance, and they want to do like I'm saying it's like $10-15 per nail. So if the clients do 2 nails, so 1 client you will do maximum of $30, and you have 5 clients, guess what, how much you make extra for your income? It's 5 clients, you time $30, so you will be, it's $150 per day. You time it to your 30 days. Well, we'll not work 30 days, we probably work 20 days. So you time it up, you'll make an extra of how much is that? is a good amount of it for extra from all the accessory. So I'm using a twin tip brush. I am going to surround all the crystals right here to blend it all of my extras precision glue. So then when I key it again, before this nail completely, before you send the clients out the door, you make sure that they looks beautiful, flawless, no lumpy. It looks beautiful for the client to see for the next 3 weeks. It's also is really beautiful for you to take a picture, and it looks just really nice and promoting for your business. Here you go, key for 60 seconds, and this nail is gonna be done.